Hey everybody, wanted to do a second video, show some of the progressions of my old 67 Firebird. Kind of got me started in more of the drag racing stuff and working in the shop. This is when I was first putting the first cage in it. You'll see it progressed along into several different variations over the past 7 years. This is some interior shots, the sheet metal. Kind of mimicked the factory stuff. This was back when it was on Holly, Terminator. That's some of the sheet metal work. Back in the package area, the rear seat area. This covers a file. Here's the first pass at the track, and a 571. First time down the track, well, first trip to the track. Hear the popping that the gear changes, which still never quite figured that out. Here's a Jake's pass. Jake's drag strip, local to us. After I went through the stock block, this is the first aftermarket dark block. This is a 490 pass. That's our first pass into the 490s. Here's a rear end housing that was in it at one time. At one time, we went through transmissions, rear ends, converters, different ECUs. This car, and still have never painted the car. We've done everything else but paint it. It's been through a bunch of tear downs, a bunch of redos. This was at Jackson. Here's a Steel Alabama pass. This is a 460 pass. Here's a Huntsville pass. I think it's around a 470 pass. All right, hope you enjoyed the second one. Catch you later.